back to D.Chanel Show. So today we are going to be making sweet rolls. So first you're going to go ahead and need your rapid yeast, your sugar, and some warm water. Combine everything into the bowl, stir it, and then let it sit for 10 minutes.
Let go.
Combined. Now you're just gonna let it sit
for 10 minutes.
Alright, you guys, so it's been 10 minutes and now we're just gonna add the pineapple juice and your coconut oil into another bowl.
Now we gonna stir this thing, you know what I'm saying? And because our 10 minutes is finally up, now we finna add in our little mixture right here. Add these together.
The mixture.
Now we're just gonna go ahead and add in the flour. The flour.
Perfect.
Alright, you guys, so now you're just gonna go ahead and knead the dough for about 10 minutes until it's nice and smooth. Are you want to do this for 10 minutes? What? Only 2 minutes? You lying. You lying.
No.
I've been putting in work.
Yeah, 2 minutes.
That's some bull. See, this is shit grandmas do. They make fucking shit from scratch. I go to the store buy shit that's already made and put it in the fucking oven. This is not what I do.
I got 2 minutes.
I'm going to the kitchen. You lying.
I'm looking at the clock though. What's up? A little over 30 seconds.
I'm only been 30 seconds. Why you trying to get a few extra needs in? No, let me. No, that wasn't even full. Let me know how you go ahead and do your final time.
already started. I already started.
See, you a cheater.
What I do?
What are you doing?
What I do?
You ain't even working.
Man, I'm working. Sure.
No, I did my whole fucking 5+ minutes, and then you probably only did 2. Okay, leave it alone for 1 second. Can you stop when you drop it? Stop, ain't no way to clean it. No, put it.
I'm real.
No.
I'm so serious.
No. Put it in the bowl.
Alright, gang. So we just finished up kneading for 10 minutes, 10+ minutes.
No, we didn't. Stop lying.
Dude, feels smooth.
So,
You know what it feels like?
man, I'm telling you what it feel like. Put it down. Stop playing with it. The fuck you thinking about? Give me this. Yeah, you got going on. Alright, guys. So this is what it's looking like. All smooth and soft. So now you're gonna go ahead and take a bowl that's oiled up. Place
Ain't no
your.
oil in there.
You don't see that oil?
I don't see nothing.
It's oiled up.
It look like it's shining from the light.
That's oil. So go ahead and take your ball. Toss it in the bowl. Take a damp, clean towel. Place it over the bread, and then you're gonna go ahead and store it in a warm area for an hour.
Alright, y'all, we just wrapped up our you know what I mean? So with that being said, we finna move on to the next segment of the video. So right now, what we finna do is we finna knead it again. You know what I'm saying? Because as you can see, it has resin. It look good, too good and resin. Now we finna knead it one more time. After we knead it, we're gonna go ahead and break it into 8 parts, equally 8 parts, and then we're gonna form them into rolls, and we're gonna throw them on our grease pan. You know what I'm saying? So stay tuned, and I'll let you know the next further details. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's go.
Perfect.
This is what it's looking like. All nice, organized on the baking pan. So now you're just gonna go ahead and let it sit for another 30 to 40 minutes and let it rise again. And half time, you're gonna go ahead and preheat your oven to 375. You guys, so this is what it's looking like after sitting for 40 minutes. Now we're just gonna brush it.
Brush it with what?
Pineapple juice.
He rolls like Ja Rule.
You guys, so now you're just gonna go ahead and stick it in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes or until they're golden brown. Alright you guys, so this is the finished result.
Now I ain't gonna lie, this is something that they gotta do like the day before, the night before. Yeah. This is a long process.
It is.
It's already nighttime.
Yeah.
Well, we're gonna go ahead and dive straight up in it. So with that being said, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and jump down in that comment section. This is the D.Chanel Quan show, and we out. Let's go ahead and grab one of them.